Hello friends, today I thought we'd talk a little bit about Albert's school bag, or as it's more commonly known, the Fjällräven Kånken. Going through the features of this bag is pretty quick. You have two side pockets here. They look similar for a thermos, water bottle, or an umbrella. Then you have a smaller zip pocket here in the front where you can fit like gloves or something like that, pretty small. And then there's the big compartment. You can have, of course, your larger items, and then in the middle here you have a sitting pad that you can take out. It also acts as a support for the back. Inside you also have the ability to write your name and address if you were to lose the bag. So what is really special about this bag? Why has this become the sort of gold standard when it comes to backpacks? That's what we're here to find out. One of the biggest reasons why this has become the sort of golden standard of bags or backpacks is because you can modify it, you can find your own. There are so many colors, sizes, and different variations of this exact model. With us today, we also have a slightly bigger one. This one features a, well, if you're out when it's dark, you can get some reflections from here, so you can see it in the darkness. It's also got more durable shoulder straps. But the biggest feature of this slightly bigger bag is the compartment for the computer. So if you have like a laptop, you can easily fit it here in the back in that specific compartment. The ability to find like your own bag is probably one of the biggest reasons why this has become the bag of bags. If this was a knife, this would have been a Mora, but this is so durable. You take it with you wherever you go. I bought it now for Albert when he starts school, and I expect him to have it when he finishes school. That's my real life expectations of this bag. The material and the simplicity of the bag is what makes it so popular amongst everybody. From the day hiker in the woods to, your kids want to go to school, or if you're going to take it to work or whatever. The sizing and the square shape is really, it's just like a perfect match for everything you want to put in it. It's just like everything just fits for some reason. The carrying system, if you take a quick look at that, it's very easy as well. You can connect it up here if you have straps over, then it's just really pull it out to fit your size. The same goes when you want to pull it back. So it's really adjustable. Again, super simple and durable. On the top here, you have a strong handle, actually two strong handles here, so you can carry like a normal bag if you like to do that instead. This bag came to be in, This bag came to be in the late 70s as a result of the kids going to school with sling bags, and they were uneven in their backs and shoulders, and there were a lot of pains. A lot of kids in Sweden, they had their backs all weird and stuff, so they needed to create a carrying system that will give you equal weight on both sides, and that's how this bag started. And since then, it's been all over the world. It's one of the most popular bags, I think, ever exported from Sweden. I think even all of you who sees this bag now recognize that you have seen it somewhere somehow. This bag is not waterproof per se, but if you use the Greenland wax on top here and on the sides, you can waterproof it pretty good. A pretty common thing after, like, say 5 to 10 years is that the shoulder straps will come off as it's done in this bag here. But since it's built in such a simplistic way, it's easy for you to fix it by yourself. You just need a thread needle and then just go to town up here and you can connect it back together by yourself. A couple of years ago, Fjällräven added another great accessory to this bag. So you can now buy a camera bag that you can put within the bag itself, so you can protect your camera gear and so on. Another cool thing about that is you can use a normal bag, but then it can be disguised, or it's a camera bag, but it can be disguised as a normal bag. So if you want to take it with you and you don't want it to be seen as a camera bag, if you want to go a little bit undercover, this is a great way of doing that. When you don't have anything inside the bag, it's pretty flat, so it's easy to store if you're not using it over the winter time or whatever. Last but not least, the reason why I bought this color is because if we're out hiking or just running around in the woods and Albert is wearing this, he's easy to see. With that, when it's dark, you also have a reflector here in the logo, so it brightens up if they're walking home from school, and if it's dark, you're able to see the reflector here. That's a pretty cool feature as well. Again, this is a true workhorse. One of the best bags I've ever seen compared to what its size and what it's able to do. And the simplicity and the durability is just out of this world. So it's a really good bag. I can highly recommend this. It's easy, simple, strong. It's a true workhorse. Hope you guys like this video, and we will see you in the coming ones. We're going to do some more reviews and some more adventures before the winter comes. And yeah, I'm looking forward to that. See you guys there. Peace out.